My name is Dr. Brian Lawenda, and I'm a radiation oncologist at GenesisCare. I want to thank all of our patients for choosing GenesisCare for their radiation services. This video is not intended to replace a conversation with your care team, simply a video to help you understand a little bit more about your treatment plan at GenesisCare. When you check into our clinic, you're going to meet our front desk staff. They're going to give you some paperwork to complete. After you've completed the paperwork, you'll come in and you'll meet one of the nurses, and they'll sit you down and go through a variety of other bits of information just to clarify for the radiation oncologist, who will then come into the examination room and spend quite a bit of time with you, talking to you about your diagnosis and the variety of different treatment options available specifically for your situation. A CT simulation is a procedure where we're mapping out the area that we're going to be treating. And what we're doing there is we're placing you into the position that you're going to be during your treatments. During your CT simulation, you can expect to meet your radiation therapy team. They're the ones that are actually going to be doing the mapping procedure. We will often want to use some types of immobilization devices in order for us to keep the portion of your body that we're going to be treating in the same position for your entire radiation treatment. We don't want any of that portion of the body moving. And so to be very, very precise, we use technologies such as immobilization devices in order to help us keep that portion of the body very still. During your simulation, we may be placing tattoos on the area or around the area that we're going to be treating. These tattoos are used to line you up every day in the same way. And sometimes we don't even need to use tattoos depending on technology that we're using in the office. Typically, after your CT simulation, it will take us about 1 day to maybe a full week in order to start your radiation treatment. There's a lot of planning that gets done behind the scenes by our dosimetrists and our medical physicists and the radiation doctor. When you're receiving treatment at GenesisCare, each treatment takes anywhere between literally a few minutes to maybe up to 15 or 20 minutes, depending on the complexity of what we're treating. It's important for you to know that we may make some alterations based on how things are going during your treatment, and this is how we customize your specific cancer treatment. Sometimes a treatment break may be required during your treatment course, and this is something that will be decided by your radiation provider. During your management with us at GenesisCare, you can expect that your radiation provider is going to be coordinating your treatment with the referring providers, talking to them about what we intend to do, making sure that we all agree, because this is really a multidisciplinary team approach. If you have any concerns about any side effects that might be happening to you during your radiation treatment, please do not hesitate. We're here for you. We have a whole team of people that can help address each of those side effects. After you're done with your treatment, we'll see you back in follow-up on a routine basis. At least for the first year in most practices, we want to make sure that the treatment was effective. We want to be able to also address any side effects that may have happened during the treatment course or could happen afterwards. And we want to make sure that if a cancer recurrence unfortunately may happen, we want to catch that on the earliest stage as possible. What I'd like you to know after you're done with your course of treatment is that we're still there for you. At GenesisCare, you have a whole team of people that are ready to answer questions and make sure that your experience after treatment is as smooth as possible. So don't feel like you can't call us or stop in the office. We want to make sure that all of your questions are answered and we've addressed everything to the best of our ability so that you're comfortable. Thank you for choosing GenesisCare.